How AI is transforming platform engineering standardized infrastructure created internal developer platforms. Golden paths. Reusable templates. Pre-configured environments. But now AI is entering the platform layer. From static platforms to intelligent platforms, traditional platforms follow predefined rules. AI-enabled platforms can analyze usage patterns, recommend optimizations, detect configuration risks. Platforms are becoming adaptive. Smarter self-service instead of manual documentation searches. Developers can ask AI, how do I deploy this service? Why did my deployment fail? Which template fits my use case? The platform becomes conversational. Automated governance. AI can monitor policy violations, security misconfigurations, cost anomalies, and flag issues before they escalate. Predictive resource optimization. AI analyzes workload trends, traffic spikes, usage inefficiencies. It suggests scaling adjustments before performance drops. Improved developer experience. AI reduces friction. It simplifies onboarding, explains architecture dependencies, guides teams through deployment paths. Developer productivity increases. The skill shift for platform engineers. Understanding AI integration, data-driven decision systems, observability plus machine learning, automation governance. Platform engineers become system intelligence designers. The strategic shift. Platforms are no longer just infrastructure layers. They are becoming decision support systems. The 2026 reality. AI doesn't replace platform engineering. It amplifies it. The future platform is not just automated. It is intelligent, adaptive, and self-improving. And engineers who design such platforms will shape enterprise architecture at scale.